Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today I'm bringing to finally the unboxing of my week 20 item, my life vest. Now at the same time as I'm recording with this camera, I'm going to set up another camera to see if it's better quality or better sound. It's just going to be like a momentary thing that I'm testing out, but I'll always just see which one's got the better sound, then pick from the two since they'll be recording at the exact same time. So yes, we're unboxing my week 20 item. It had a load of delays. At first they said they couldn't find our address. At second they said they couldn't find the address another day. Then they said that their driver was actually on holiday who normally does the route and knows the route where they deliver to where I live. As of this, they did not know where the address was and could not deliver to it. Well, deliver to it. So as of this, my brother called up because his kayak was meant to arrive. The depot basically said that they'd hold on to the items and my brother would go and pick them up, so that's what he did. So now we have it to unbox. It was due for Monday, it's now obviously Thursday, this is going out on Friday. So yeah, it's been a couple of days since it was due. But anyway, let's get straight into this video and this unboxing because I've been waiting for this item. Also let me know down below if your week 20 item has arrived. If it has, what did you order? What did you pick up? Or if you left the week alone, why did you leave the week alone? If you took an L during week 20, then what did you take an L going for? And if you're going to keep or resell the item, comment that down below as well. But yeah, let's just get straight into this. Okay, so the unboxing. I've got two different cameras set up, which I presume I'm just going to go with the one I'm looking at right now instead of the one that's at a different angle. I could set this so that it's on my hands instead, so that it's got couple of different angles, but yeah, I just want to know, I'll switch between the two, whether you think which one's better quality, so number one or number two. So yeah, just let me know down below. But anyway, let's just get into the unboxing, and yeah, nothing else really to say except let's just unbox this thing. Right. Sick. Obviously we've just got a box logo with it because, you know, box logos, they have to include them, and the life vest itself. So I got it in obviously size large because I thought size small would be like, in my mind it made sense that if you're getting a larger size it would be what more people wear compared to getting a small size which might be for kids. But this is obviously an adult size, it's not a kid's size, so, or the sizing wasn't for kids, but I was just thinking in my head, bigger sizes are normally what people have. So first impression, just dope, like that's just sick, like genuinely that's just cool. So, and then obviously on the inside, you've got it saying Supreme just there. So yeah. First impressions, it's just a really cool accessory piece for me to have. Am I happy folding it? Not really. I'll probably get a bag so I can just keep it flat instead of folding it, because folding it might damage the material. So I'll go and get a bag at some point out. But that's the unboxing pretty much. I don't really have much else to say. I was extremely happy to get this piece. I've been waiting for the catcher's mask and this to drop. Obviously I got the catcher's mask, which I think is sitting at retail currently, but the price doesn't really bother me at what they're like selling for, because most of the items or most of the accessories I'm just going to keep on and hold for quite a little bit of time until I feel like selling them. Having two cameras up just looks really sick, like switch back and forth, back and forth. But yeah, I'm happy to have copped this and that I was able to get it. It did sell out. I'm sure it sold out faster in America, but obviously most things sell out a lot faster in America. But I really do appreciate this piece. I tried to get my brother to go for the whole let me use your kayak for a video, but he doesn't want to. He just wants to sell the kayak, so I think he's just going to get his money back on it. Which I can understand. If it's a brick, it's going to be a brick for the time being. But still, making a video would have been pretty decent because I would have actually taken it out somewhere instead of just going like down a river or something. I might have actually tried to go into like the sea or something, or find somewhere nearby-ish where I could have fully used this or utilized this and the kayak, but maybe another time that can be done. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, a like would be much appreciated. Other than that, tell me which camera, if possible, is better. And yeah, I should have a video out either tomorrow or Sunday, which is a massive unboxing, depending if things arrive on time. So thank you for watching again. Thank you for the recent support. I massively appreciate it. I'm working on a video at the moment, which some people suggested. I'm just trying to get some more ideas down for it, which should be out at some point. So yeah, it might be a bit cringy, but that's how it is. So if you enjoyed, a like would be much appreciated, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.